Electric Wine Opener. The Kokunst Electric Wine Opener is a remarkable addition to any wine enthusiast's collection, seamlessly blending style and functionality. Crafted from durable plastic, this opener showcases a sleek space gray finish, complemented by stainless steel accents, making it an attractive piece for any kitchen or dining setting. With dimensions of 2 into 3 into 9 inches and a weight of just 14.4 ounces, it boasts a compact and lightweight design that is easy to handle and store. The electric mechanism simplifies the process of uncorking wine bottles, allowing you to effortlessly enjoy your favorite vintages without the hassle of traditional corkscrews. This is especially convenient for those with limited hand strength or dexterity. The Kokunst Electric Wine Opener is part of a 4-in-1 set that includes a base, providing a complete solution for wine lovers. This thoughtful design element not only keeps the opener organized, but also adds to the overall aesthetic of your barware collection. With a remarkable average rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars from 17 ratings, it's evident that users are highly satisfied with its performance and reliability.